Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at equations. Of course we're doing now equations with brackets, removing the brackets, remove the brackets. Alright. And this is examples for exercise 2, which is also on page 49. Right, so where do we start here? People, the question says solve for x. We got 3 into x minus 4 is equal to x minus 6. What do we do first? Get rid of the brackets by multiplying in there. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4, negative 12 is equal to x minus 6. Now it looks very, very similar to the examples in exercise 1. Not so. So what do we do now? X is one side, numbers the other side. Remember when you transpose, the signs change. So this will be 3x minus x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. So what is 3x minus x? 2x. What's minus 6 plus 12? 6. So what do I do now? Divide by 2 both sides. That cancels, so x is equal to 3. And again I can test if it's correct. We go left hand side is equal to the left hand side, which is 3 into x, which is now 3 minus 4. What's 3 minus 4? Negative 1. 3 times negative 1? Negative 3. Let's look at the right hand side. X is 3, so 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. You see the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore the solution is correct. If I chosen any other value other than 3, you'll see left hand side won't be equal to the right hand side. Say for argument's sake we made a mistake and we said x was equal to 5. Let's go with the left hand side. This is not the answer, no? If x equal to 5 is going to be 3 times 5 minus 4. What's 5 minus 4? 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's look at the right hand side. Remember the equation must be balanced if the solution is correct. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. You see, is that equal? So therefore that won't be the solution. Okay? Do I have to do this on every sum? No, but it's a useful tool to check if the answer is correct in the exam. Okay? One lesson question says test that your answer is correct, your solution is correct. Aisha, you are right? Why have you done the test? This is boring. No, not boring. Why have you done the test? It's not on the test. Okay, my eyes must be lying to me. Alright, let's do number 2. We'll get rid of the brackets first. Not so. So what is 2 times x? 2x. 2 times negative 3. Negative 6 equal to 3 times 2x. 6x. 3 times negative 7. Negative 21. You all agree with that? So what do we do now? X is one side. Numbers the other side. Alright. So it becomes 2x, positive 6x becomes negative 6x, is negative 21 plus 6. What is 2x minus 6x? Negative 4x is equal to negative 21 plus 6, negative 15. And divide by negative 4 both sides, so x is equal to 15 over 4. Or you can write it as 3 and 3 over 4. See any confusion there? No. Go to number 3. Here we got 4 into 2x plus 3, close brackets, minus, open brackets 3x plus 8, close brackets is equal to 5 minus 3 open brackets 4x minus 2 close bracket. So what do we have to do first? Get rid of the brackets. So that form must be multiplied with 2x and 3, the negative with 3x and 8, and the negative 3 with 4x and minus 2. We do not subtract this here. Okay? We must first multiply to get rid of the bracket. So what's 4 times 2x? 8x plus 4 times 3 is 12. Negative times positive is negative 3x. What's positive times negative? Negative 8 is equal to 5. Negative 3 times 4x, negative 12x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive. You will understand. Now we're moving too fast. No. Okay? So what do we do now? X is one side, numbers the other side. So 12 goes over, negative 8. And so this 12x comes to the left hand side. If you're transposing here, remember to change the sign. So whatever stays on the left hand side, I write that down first. So you got 8x minus 3x. Minus 12x becomes positive 12x is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 12 plus 8. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 12 is negative 1 plus 8 is 7. 8 plus 12? 20. Minus 3? 17. How do I get x on its own? Divided by 17 both sides. You all agree with that? So therefore x equal to 7 over 17. Is there any confusion? So at this point you guys have concluded exercise 2 already, okay? So we're just going to mark the homework and we'll see if there's any issues with regards to to exercise 2. We'll also do it in this part of the video. So the only issue is number 10 out of this exercise. Alright, so out of exercise 2, number 10, the sum read 8 into x minus 1 plus 2 into 3x minus 2 is equal to negative 7 into x plus 2 plus 3 into x minus 6 minus 2x. Alright, so what do we do first? Get rid of the bracket. Alright, so what's 8 times x? 8x. 8 times negative 1? Negative 8. What is 2 times 3x? 6x. 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. Negative 7 times x? Negative 7x. Negative 7 times positive 2? Negative 14. 3 times x? 3 times negative 6? Negative 18 minus 2x. You see there's many terms on either side of the equal sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first add like terms on its respective sides. Okay. So what is 8x plus 6x? 14x. Negative 8 minus 4? Negative 12. And that's equal to, again, like terms here. So we have negative 7x plus 3x is negative 4x minus 2x, negative 6x. Negative 14 minus 18 is negative 32. So what do I do now? X is one side, numbers the other side. So it's going to be 14x plus 6x is equal to negative 32 plus 12. So it's going to give you, because 20x is equal to negative 20. Divide by 20 both sides, so x is equal to negative 1, which makes the answer correct again. Where did you go wrong, Michael? You don't know. You did the sum. Right, delete from your first line. Just hang on. Just move this down. Right, what do you have? 8x, yes? Just read for me what you have in your book.
Minus 8 plus 6x minus 4 equals
Read from your next line.
Xx plus 6x plus 7x minus 3x minus 2x.
There's your mistake. Supposed to have been positive. You wrote negative. Okay. Anybody else made a mistake on the sum? I think if you applied this method here, you didn't mess it up. Because then we are reducing the sum actually. Then we're taking it from you. Okay. People, at this point, you guys have had to watch the video for exercise 3. So we will go straight into that now as well. Okay. The full lesson can be found in the description box.